Could life truly exist beyond our planet? And could Titan, Saturn's largest moon, be a potential host? Welcome to the intriguing world of Titan, a place that has sparked curiosity and speculation for centuries. Discovered by Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens in the mid-17th century, Titan got its name from the ancient Greek legends of the Titans, the giant deities of incredible strength. But what makes Titan so interesting? Well, it's the only moon in our solar system with a dense atmosphere, and this atmosphere bears a striking resemblance to what scientists believe the Earth's was like billions of years ago. Combined with its complex weather system and the presence of liquid on its surface, Titan is a tantalizing prospect for those who believe life could exist elsewhere in the universe. But before we get too excited about the prospect of alien life, let's dive deeper into what we know about Titan. One of the most fascinating aspects of Titan is its unique and dense atmosphere. As Saturn's largest moon, Titan is a celestial body that stands out among the rest in our solar system. Unlike the barren lunar surface of our own moon, Titan's atmosphere is rich and complex, mirroring Earth's in a few intriguing ways. This moon's atmosphere is composed primarily of nitrogen, just like Earth's. But that's where the similarities end. Along with this nitrogen, Titan's atmosphere is laced with an array of organic compounds. Methane and ethane in particular play a significant role in shaping this moon's unique atmospheric conditions. Now imagine this. Lakes and seas not of water but of liquid methane and ethane. These hydrocarbon lakes and seas cover Titan's surface, a feature that is not found anywhere else in our solar system. It's a sight that would be as alien as it is fascinating, don't you think? But what does this mean for life? Well, the presence of these organic compounds, particularly methane and ethane, could potentially provide the building blocks for life. These compounds are known to be precursors to amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, which are fundamental to life as we know it. However, the conditions on Titan are harsh. It's incredibly cold, with temperatures dipping as low as -290 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme cold allows methane and ethane to exist in liquid form, creating those alien lakes and seas we've talked about. Despite its hostile conditions, Titan's atmosphere is interesting because it offers a potential environment where life, as we don't know it, might exist. Scientists speculate that life forms on Titan, if they exist, would have to be fundamentally different from Earth life, potentially using liquid methane or ethane in the same way that Earth's organisms use water. But an atmosphere alone is not enough to confirm the presence of life. Let's see what else Titan has to offer. Beneath its thick orange haze, Titan hides a world of mystery. Imagine peering through the lens of the Huygens probe as it descended onto this enigmatic moon in 2005. The mission was a groundbreaking endeavor, a collaboration between the European Space Agency, NASA, and the Italian Space Agency. Huygens gave us the first detailed glimpse of Titan's surface, and oh, what a sight it was. The terrain is complex, to say the least. Titan boasts landscapes reminiscent of our home planet with mountains that pierce the orange sky, valleys that wind their way across the surface, and lakes that shimmer with an ethereal glow. But these are not your typical Earth landscapes. The mountains are made of water ice as hard as rock due to the frigid temperatures, and the lakes are filled with liquid methane and ethane, not water. This leads us to another intriguing characteristic of Titan's surface, the presence of water ice and organic molecules. Now, when we say organic molecules, we don't mean life forms, but rather the chemical compounds that are the building blocks of life as we know it. These molecules, combined with the presence of water ice, make Titan an intriguing target in the search for extraterrestrial life. However, it's not as simple as it sounds. The water ice on Titan's surface is so cold that it behaves more like rock than the liquid water we're familiar with on Earth. And the organic molecules, they're locked in a deep freeze, unable to react with each other to form life as we know it. So Titan, Saturn's largest moon, a world where the mountains are made of ice and lakes of liquid methane, a place with all the ingredients for life, but perhaps not the right recipe. It's a world that challenges our understanding, that pushes the boundaries of what we thought we knew about our solar system. Titan's surface certainly has the building blocks for life, but does it have the right conditions? Only time and continued exploration will tell. Recent research has cast doubt on Titan's suitability for life. Scientists have long been intrigued by Saturn's largest moon, with its dense atmosphere and liquid methane lakes. But new findings suggest that the conditions might not be as life-friendly as once thought. Researchers have discovered that Titan's water ice crust may be too thick for life to exist. This crust, which is far denser and more rigid than previously thought, could serve as an impenetrable barrier, preventing any potential life forms from accessing the liquid water underneath. This water, long considered one of the key ingredients for life, might be unreachable to any organisms that could potentially call Titan home. Moreover, the lack of necessary energy sources for life is another aspect that has scientists re-evaluating Titan's potential. Life as we understand it requires a certain level of energy to survive and grow, energy that Titan might not be able to provide. But let's not write off Titan just yet. The exploration of this moon continues, and with it, the potential for future discoveries. The thick ice crust and lack of energy sources are obstacles, yes, but they also present new questions and challenges for researchers to tackle. Who knows what breakthroughs future missions to Titan might bring? While the possibility of life on Titan may seem more distant than ever, the quest for finding life beyond Earth continues. So, where does this leave us on the question of life on Titan? We've journeyed through Titan's unique atmosphere, explored its intriguing surface, and scrutinized the latest research findings. We've seen the potential for life but also the challenges that these findings pose. Despite the allure of its oceans and atmosphere, life on Titan appears to be a distant possibility. However, let's not forget, life on Titan may seem unlikely today, but who knows what future exploration and research might reveal. After all, the universe is full of surprises.